Welcome back everyone. In this series, we are going to build an amazing application. So let us see what we are going to build. This is what we are going to build. It is a music player, like you can see from the UI, that is an advanced, a modern one with a lot of rich features. So let us just take it one by one and see all that this app has to offer. Of course, this is the user interface, the one that opens by default. If we start playing a song, which we'll do very soon, you see that the details will be rendered here. Our customized title bar allows us to move it around. You can minimize, you can close, which I will not do at this time. When the song is playing, we can add the song to a favorite list, come back and play it later, or we can add the song to a particular playlist that we have saved. This here also is our volume dial. We can turn, we use it to control the volume, and our controls are down here. You see each of them with a beautiful hover effect. And this is our music slider, customized one. You can drag the song forward and back as you play it. And here we have our buttons to add songs. You know, this place, this container you see here, let me say so, is what houses the song that we directly import into the application. But if you look down here, you see three buttons also. One for song list, which will bring you to this page. When you click on playlist, a different UI will render in here, and it will allow you to create a new playlist. Let's create one. So test. Now it is created, and it is we have some beautiful icon added to it just to make it nice. And we have option to remove the selected. Let us create it again. We can also choose to remove all with caution, but we will not do that for now. And the load selected will load the playlist. If there are any songs in it, it will load it for us. But as for now, you see that it tells us that the playlist is empty. So it also has some intelligent features that perform some valid checks. And I can also come to favorites. Here, if I've added any song to favorites, I'll see it at this side. I can choose to delete. Okay, you seeing that? There's no song. I can also choose to clear all of them, but there is no favorite in there. So let's quickly add some songs and see how it goes. Okay, I have some songs added here. You see that each of them is added with a beautiful music icon to the left and all that. So if I start to play, I can, by the way, double click it to play. You see that this place changes to the song name. I don't know whether you can hear, the volume is low. Okay, I think you should be hearing it by now, but it is playing. And then I can drag it forward and back in time. I can loop this particular song only. So if I click on it now and loop it, when it gets to the end, it will play the same song again. You can see that the selection will not change and it is playing exactly the same song. I can also choose to shuffle it, and then when it gets to the end, it will shuffle the song. So it will randomly pick one of them in the list and play. Okay, you see that it actually skipped the feeling happy, and then it's now playing the life is a dream. Let me move it to the end quickly and see. Okay, because there are not so many songs, it may appear like the shuffling is not working, but if you have quite a number of songs in there, that one will really work best. So let's see. Okay. Okay, it looks like it's picking the same song over and over again. Okay, another one has been picked. I don't know whether you watched, but on every change of song, the background picture also changes. But I don't know whether you watched it. There's a background slideshow also for the application. So I can't click on loop one and then shuffle at the same time. Let me disable the shuffle. But when I press next, look at the background picture so that it changes. When I press previous, it changes. So there's this nice background slideshow for the app that you can put your own pictures there just to customize the application like your own pictures are the background of your music player. Come on. So this is it. So let me add this song that is playing to favorites. So when I come to the favorite tab, I click on add to favorites and immediately it's added to the favorites tab with a love icon beside it. When I choose to add it to a playlist, you see that it will automatically pop up this window and ask me to choose from which of my playlists do I want to add the song to. So let me cancel it for now and then create a new playlist here. Maybe call another and then decide to add this song to playlist. You see that another is here, so let me add it to another. Click OK. For now we will not see it, but we will be able to inspect and see what the song or the playlist. So let me just look selected. Okay, it doesn't show here. I'll clear it, but let me show the other features first. I'll show you how we see the songs inside the playlist. And so we know that one also works. But what I also did not say is that okay, we can remove any song. We can choose to clear all of them, but we will not do that. And for the favorites also, we can choose to remove it, clear all of them, and add it again. It will come. But each of these pages that renders has its own context menu that pops up. So here is that it's only relevant to playlist. When I favorite, when I come to playlist, it's only relevant to that one. Song list, it's only relevant to that one. That will make our navigation easier. So let's see how we can get the list inside see the song inside the playlist. To demonstrate the songs, how to see the songs in the playlist, okay, let me come. For now, when you double click on it, it should show the songs in the list. You can see that the song, the test playlist is empty because, and then another playlist has one song because that's what we added to the playlist when the song was playing. So let me come back to the song list and then now add all of these. There's the option to add all of these songs, the currently loaded ones, to a playlist. I can just right click and then save all to a playlist. Choose test. Yes, test is okay. Then okay. When I come back, double click on test, you see that all the songs that are now in here, let me come back to, okay, it's not allowing me to interact with the window below, but see that these were all the songs that were loaded and now they are inside here. So I can choose to now come here, stop the song, clear this list, yes. Come to playlist and then inside test I'll right click and then lose selected. See that the songs that were there now are also available here. I click on play and then it is playing. My slideshow is also showing and all that. I can come here, favorites, add this song to favorites, it shows here. For now, let me stop it. I can also play from the favorites actually. So I can click on play and then it's also play. And one other thing about this app is this, when it gets to the end and then it is not looped, it is not shuffled, it will automatically go to the next song. And if the song that is currently on is the last song, it knows automatically to jump to the first. So that is how intelligent it is. So let me see that it will now jump automatically to the first one and then be playing. So this is what you are going to build. If you are excited about it, just smash the like button and consider subscribing if you are new so that you don't miss any video that I post in the coming weeks, in the coming days. Because more interesting stuff like this show up in your notification area. Thank you very much for your time. The next video we start building this from scratch. Bye for now.